Fellowship Award for 2011-12 about labor folk songs of women, and a Senior Fellowship Award for 2019-20 about folk art songs, The Glory of Telugu People, from the Indian Ministry of Culture, New Delhi, and I also completed my research project successfully. As a writer, in the DDR means Digital District Repository project started on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which was started by the Indian government. I participate in writing researchable articles about the heroes of our freedom struggle. The special features of the struggle, which tell the heritage of our freedom culture to the people of our country. I have written 340 investigative articles, stood first at the national level as the author with the most articles written, and was announced as a brand ambassador. In this project, my 127 articles have been published by the Government of India on akam.com, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav website. Until today, the author with the most articles published stood first at the South India level and second in national level. I am a Telugu medium student, but I felt that language is not important if you of our country are the first step of our culture. As far as the Telugu people are concerned, the folk arts of the Telugu people of the states Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have the highest priority. These folk art forms associated with the Telugu language are a testimony to the unabashed creative expression of the village people. Moreover, these arts are a treasure trove of their rituals and group behavior, beliefs and anxieties, pain and pleasures. Indeed, the study of folk arts includes the origin and development of traditional folk music, dance and drama. Presenting folk art forms, the inclusion of visual arts in the taxonomic folklore session completes the study of folk art forms. Every aspect of folklore is associated with a visual form. In this, the various arts are divided into three categories. In these three categories, all the performing arts of the folk are included: folk music, folk dance, folk drama. Folk music section, narrative folk songs and non-narrative songs are of two types. In the first type, Burra Katha, Jangam Katha, Pammajodu Katha, Jemitika Katha, Kidera Kathalu, Boggu Kathalu, Runja stories, etc. In the second type, agricultural, traditional, scientific, labor songs, devotional, children's songs, entertainment songs, women's, romantic songs, etc. can be found. Folk dance, animal impersonation dances, example Gurralata, Puliveshalu, Nimilata. Men only participate in this folk arts, example Guruvayu Nrityam. Women only participate dances, example Gopi Nrityam, Batukamma Nrityam, Jakkiki, etc. Folk drama, dramas performed in streets like Chenchu Natakam, Veedhi Natakam, Yakshaganam, etc. A play with animals, Gangireddulata, Yellow Koddata, Kotulata, Pamulata. In these plays used monkeys, snakes, parrots, oxen, bear, etc. As part of my research, I have identified 240 folk art forms that are still in existence today out of the many folk art forms of the Telugu people. Out of these, 220 folk art forms were born by Telugu common people and the remaining 20 belong to tribals. Also, the lost descendants of many others art forms may have remained hidden from public exposure of their art. This includes daytime costume artists, narrative song forms, dances, dramas, musical instrument-based performances, monologues, and various folk art forms are cultural assets of the Telugu people. Few of the Telugu art forms are known to the world. For example, puppetry, Tappetagullu, Yakshaganam, Batukamma Nrityam, Kolatam, Oggu Katha, etc. But many more remained unknown. For example, in Mukhaveli, Golla Chaduru, Jamukula Katha, Jakkiki, Dasari Kathalu, Tanjari Katha, Pichikuntla Katha, etc. There is a need to bring many more art forms of them to light. If we talk about the primacy of music, that is instruments and songs, in folk art forms, especially in the folk art forms, folk music is integrated internally and helps to infuse the spirit of those art forms. Folk music has a special place in our country. This music was not classically created. It is born freely from the hearts of the village people. This music has no rules and can be sung by anyone at will. But in art forms like Gopi dance, Jakkiki, Batukamma dance, Jatti Jam and Chamma Chakka, they are performed without musical instruments. Only rural women and children participate in these art forms. They clap their hands and sing and dance based on the sound rhythm. Gopi holding small sticks called kolas in hands and beating them together and tapping the feet, playing games and singing songs based on the sound rhythm of the sticks is called Kolanata or Kolatam. अभी मैंने आपसे मार्क्स कर लिया क्लैप्स प्लीज क्लैप्स यू गेट एंड हेल्प apart from this many art forms like drum dance puppets bonala dance maragallu కీలు గుడాలాట కవాయి కట్టలు నెమిలి కుంచులాట నిప్పుల కుంపటి దొమ్మరాట తాళభజన పులివేషాలు వీరనాట్యం పేరిణి వేషధారణ etc. are performed only on the basis of folk instrumental music. In some other folk art forms, music, singing and storytelling are combined to make the performance stick in the minds of the people. For example, Erugula's Ramayana story sung by Ektara playing the instrument and beating the ghungroo in the hand will immerse others in devotional ecstasy. This is Ektara. This is how we see the here folk music mixed with the art forms. Folk music is not only among the folk art forms but also another it is tribute charm of the villagers. Music was born in the mouths of the people in the villages. In the past, in the days when modern technology was not developed, people whose livelihood was based on physical labor like agriculture used to sing various songs and do farm works and houseworks to relieve themselves from that physical labor. Also many types like this: festivals, fairs, birth, love, marriage, celebration, sarcasm, pranks, and anger, jealousy, gossip, teasing, romance, psychology, heroic stories, and variety of things. Questioning superstitions in society. That is our folk song culture. Let me give you a taste of the sweetness in these songs. I will sing a formal field song for you, a song that makes you forget the hard work done in the fields and want to crops to grow well, the farmers to be happy, and everyone hunger to be satisfied. Ra like this. Earlier houses did not have modern facilities, no mixer grinders. Please note, no mixer grinders. Women used to grind the powders needed for cooking by hands with a mortar and pestle. Then the content of their songs used to be the subject of arguments between the aunts and sister-in-laws, saying what did we do with raw milk and what did we do with butter in hot milk. The sounds of their voices become the rhythms of words like this. The stories of many warriors have been propagated through folk songs. The folk song about the adventure of the first generation hero, Uyyalavada Narasimha Reddy, in the freedom struggle is fire. Sa folk songs were born in the hearts of people and continue even today. The aim of the folk music is not only entertainment, unknowingly creates humanistic culture in men and enlightenment every occasion of life with folk songs and music is an integral part of living culture. My intention is to introduce those to you all. Today, society has undergone a lot of changes in the name of civilization and modernity. In this background, it has become common to not support our traditional folk music and folk art forms. As a folk music singer, it saddens me that so many artists stop performing their unpopular art forms and earn a living in other professions. In such situations, if many art forms that are the livelihood of the original Telugu people cease to exist, there is a possibility and that our culture will disappear. Unfortunately, in these days of digital culture, many folk art forms have lost their existence due to various reasons. But even today, some folk art forms are alive. Some folk artists maintain their existence and live only for folk culture. This is the richness of our Indian culture. I have decided to bring the richness of Telugu art, folk art forms and folk music that survives today, inform the people of the South Indian languages and inspire them towards cultural self-respect. Wherever you go, you have to prize your people's folklore and keep your country full of respect. Why? Because we are all the children of Bharata Mata. Ye deshamedina, entuga hidina, ye peethamikkina, yovare manna, pogalarani talli, bhumi bharati, niluparani jati, nindu gauravamu, ye deshamedina, entuga hidina, ye peethamikkina, yovare manna, pogalarani talli, bhumi bharati, నిలుపరా నీ జాతి నిండు గౌరవము నిలుపరా నీ జాతి నిండు గౌరవము. Dear friends, this is my first English paper presentation. So please excuse any mistakes is there. Please excuse. I think